Hi everyone, my name is Simrit, and today I'm going to be making a twisted macrame friendship bracelet. So let's get started. To begin this bracelet, I'm going to choose one color of string, and then I'm going to cut out 4 pieces of string that are 55 inches long and 2 strings that are 22 inches long. For this bracelet, I'm going to use a barrel clasp to close it. So I just tied a knot to one end of it. And now I'm going to tape this down. Take 2 of your long strings and put it on the right side, and then the other 2 on the left side, leaving the smaller strings in the center. I'm also going to tape down the middle strings. And then I'm going to start the bracelet by making half square knots. To make half square knots, take your left string and fold it over. Then take the end of your right string and take it through this loop by going under the middle strings. Then take your 2 ends and pull the strings tight near the top. After making many half square knots, you will see the twist automatically form. And then continue. Once your bracelet is long enough, you can end it off. To end it off, take your string through the other end of the barrel clasp. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any other videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!